Hello all, welcome to my channel Coding 24 by 7. My name is Harshit and this is the third lecture in this series of Python programming. So without any further delay, let's begin. Before we move forward, do like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out upcoming lectures. Now let's have a look on today's agenda. In this particular session, I am going to show you how to run a Python programming using interactive mode, then followed by understanding of REPL, and finally we will experience the practical understanding of interactive mode. So without any further delay, let's begin. Basically, we can run a Python program using the following approaches. The first one is interactive mode and the second is script mode. So first of all, let's see what is interactive mode. In interactive mode, Python interpreter waits for user to enter command with blinking cursor, and in the very next line it shows the result and then waits again for the next command. This process continues till you exit from this mode. In the continuation to interactive mode, I would like to discuss REPL. So let's see what is REPL and how it is related with interactive mode. So REPL stands for Read Eval Print Loop, also called language cell, is a simple interactive environment that takes expression as an input, evaluates it, and immediately prints the result on the next line. So guys, not only Python but nowadays many other programming languages and databases support REPL. For example, Java, Kotlin, MySQL, and many more technologies that supports REPL. Now let's see how interactive mode actually works. So I'm going to show you how to use CMD, Python Shell, and Python IDLE as an interactive mode one by one. Let's begin with CMD first. So first of all, you need to open command prompt. Now type Python to get access of Python interpreter. Alright, let's try some print statement. Fine, you can see output in the very next line. Now I will try same print statement in Python shell. To do so, you need to type Python in search bar. As you can see that Python shell is ready for use. Let's try same print statement. Now hit enter. Alright. In addition to Python shell, Python installer for Windows also install a lightweight integrated development environment, in short IDLE. Basically, IDLE gives you luxury to write, edit, execute and debug your program under the same roof. To start IDLE on Windows, you need to type IDLE in search and hit enter. Alright, so you can see here Python IDLE. Now let's try some piece of code. So this is all for the today's session. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.